Okay, once you're familiar with the basic operations in math, those being addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, as well as a couple others we'll see, you need to know which ones to do first in case you have all of them in a question. So what if you're multiplying, subtracting, dividing, adding, you got some exponents in there? What do you take care of first? Because there is a correct order, and it's called the order of operations. So luckily there's this helpful acronym called PEMDAS, and you've probably heard of it if you've started learning about order of operations in class. And each letter stands for something, and we go left to right in terms of what to do first. So the first thing that we do when we have a bunch of operations in a question is we take care of whatever is inside a set of parentheses. So once we've done everything inside the parentheses, we can move on to any exponents that show up in the question. After that, we have multiplication, and we have division, and then the last two are addition and subtraction. So with multiplication and division, they are inverses of each other. They're opposites. So it really doesn't matter which one you do first, but you have to be very, very careful. So when in doubt, just go left to right. If you see multiplication and division in a question, just the order should be whatever shows up first on the left, and then go to the right and do whatever comes next. Same thing with addition and subtraction. You can do them in either order, but just stick to left to right. I'll show an example later on where common mistakes can happen if you don't do that. But again, you can do them in different orders, or you can do division before multiplication or subtraction before addition. You just have to be really careful. So just stick to the left to right rule, and it's much harder to mess up. Okay, let's look at an example. So we have all the operations here, and we'll use PEMDAS to figure out which to start with. So P is for parentheses, and I got some parentheses here, so I'll do whatever is inside the parentheses, which is 3 plus 1. So I'll get 4, and then I still have my exponent, times 4 divided by 2 plus 9 minus 10. No more parentheses, but I have an exponent right here, so I'll do that next. 4 squared is 16, times 4 divided by 2 plus 9 minus 10. Now I have multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So I'll just go, or I'll do the multiplication and division, and I'll just go left to right. So 16 times 4 is 64. Then I have divide by 2 plus 9 minus 10. I'll do the division next. 64 divided by 2 is 32 plus 9 minus 10. And now we just have addition and subtraction, and again, I'll just go left to right. So 32 plus 9 is 41, and then minus 10 is going to give us 31.